Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you all are celebrating your Christmas well. Today I'm going to create this look. I'm going to use some fancy props, very appropriate for this Christmas time, and I really hope you would like this look because you guys actually wanted me to do something that has this green and red theme. So here it is. I'm going to show you how I actually created this look. I'm going to start up with some moisturizer. For moisturizer I'm using the Sativa seed and aloe vera moisturizing gel cream from Good Vibes. Next, for primer I'm using the NYX Shine Killer, and I'm just concentrating this on the areas where I have pores and where my skin actually turns oily real quick. Then I'm going to color correct. For color correction I'm using this orange corrector from Makeup Revolution. Now if I overreact or overdo something in this video, it's totally because I was playing so many Christmas songs and I was like so hyped when I was creating this look. That's the reason, okay? And by the way, today is my brother's birthday, so it will be really nice if you guys wish him birthday wishes in the comment section. I also have just added some properties on my background thing. I hope you noticed that. Okay, so next I'm correcting and concealing the orange corrector with concealer. Then I'm moving on with some foundation. Foundation here, I definitely have gone overboard today. This is definitely a very heavy look in my opinion, but I kind of like the result today. Here I use the Estee Lauder foundation, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, but I went overboard. I clearly get that. You will just see like how bad my face turned out once after application. You can just see that. This is when I realized, okay, I messed up today's look, but I just somehow have to correct it, and I use this PAC H3 liquid foundation to cover up and conceal the brightness that was actually going on my skin. Next I'm going to set my face with some Huda Beauty loose powder. I'm just using this powder just to set my under eye area because the Estee Lauder foundation already has a good coverage and it is a matte variant too, so I don't really have to worry about setting my entire face. Now for giving that warmth on my skin, I'm using this bronzer, the Palladio one, and I'm using the same sponge just to give the maximum coverage, and I don't really want to mess up the underneath layer, the foundation layer, so I just use the sponge. Then for blush I used a sugar blush, and it's in this beautiful warm reddish orange shade. Then for highlighter I used this bronzer. This bronzer has a good amount of highlighting particles, so I just like this bronzer to highlight my face. Next for eyebrows I'm using my Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. So once that's done, I'm going to move on with my eyes. For eyes, today I'm using this Maybelline GiGi hadid kajal, and I'm just lining the upper and lower waterline. Next for eyeliner, I'll be using eyeliner sketch pen from Purplle. This thing looks so fancy, but the quality of the product is also really very good. I highly recommend you to try this out. This one is from Purplle. So I'm doing a mini tiny wing at the end, and I'm placing this green glitter from TS Cosmetics on the liner, just on the outer corner and in the middle section, not taking it to the inner corner like where I have applied the liner, if you know what I mean. I will just show you in a close-up. So this is what I'm doing, and I don't really want it to be like too glittery and too greenish. So this is the thing that I ended up doing, and I was like quite happy with the look. So once after this is done, I'm going to apply some mascara. No falsies today because I just did not feel like applying falsies this particular day, so I just went ahead and applied some good mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner. This one is from MAC. This is in shade Chestnut, which is my favorite lip liner, and I'm filling my lips with Ruby Woo from MAC. The red was not vibrant as I expected it to be, so I just applied another liquid lipstick from quirky. All the product details will be given in the description box below. So I topped the liquid lipstick on the top of Ruby Woo, and I also applied a teeny bit of gloss because I'm going to stick some glitter. Now this one is the pressed glitter from TS Cosmetics. This is a red glitter. I just applied this only on the centers. The glitters are not too obvious, but they are chunky, but it complemented the look very well. With that, the look comes to an end. I curled my hair, and I also added some props, some Christmas hats, some specs, which actually is not a specs. I don't really know what that name is, and also this hat is not for my size, not my head size. So yeah, I somehow managed, and I kind of like the whole look, and definitely do appreciate my nails. I made them. That's a DIY glitter nail, and I really liked how it turned out. This has so much of Christmas vibes into it, and thank you guys for making me do this. Merry Christmas. Bye. Okay, I clearly rushed that part. So if you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.